Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Linda and I'm pleased to present to you today the WiiBid webinar. I'm super excited to be sharing with you how our mortgage marketplace here at WiiBid will help you increase and optimize your business at no cost. We're here to help you close your deals faster, save your time, and of course, make you some money. If you've ever lost deals due to financing after working super hard and being so close to reaching contract signing, or if you have clients that are at risk of losing their deposits or need short-term bridge financing, WiiBid can help you. We work with the top alternative and private lenders to deliver the lowest costs, fastest, and most competitive auction mortgage rates in Vancouver and the Lower Mainland. Our unique solution addresses the toughest and most common client financing challenges, such as bank rejection and the risk of losing down payments. In contrast, WiiBid provides you speedy access and the best auction rates in a secured and encrypted system to reduce the stress, anxiety, and financing risks attached to home ownership. Here at WiiBid, we strongly value your relationship with your clients, and we acknowledge that you, as the realtor, play a huge role in this exciting journey that is home buying. Your clients will gain direct access, receive quick results, and ultimately thank you for all the savings that they're making, as well as your help in allowing them to achieve their home ownership dreams. As an alternative and private lending service, we let the borrowers simply shop for their financing package based on their needs. The best part about WiiBid is that it takes less than 10 minutes to complete an application. You enter the auction, get awesome financing bids, overall cutting the time by 50% that it usually takes to get financed traditionally. Not to mention save borrowers broker fees. With over $1 billion in lending capacity, we're growing every day and we're ready to help you succeed. WiiBid is the new standard in private and alternative lending. Our users are getting real-time updates, keeping them fully informed at all times about their financing status. Stay tuned and I'll tell you a little bit more about how you can join our affiliate program and make some money. By joining our affiliate program, you will have a secret tool in your pocket that saves the day every time alternative financing is needed. That said, we'd love to include you in our growing list of realtor affiliates that are making commission with WiiBid. No brokers are needed. It's a fully self-served, automated, and simplified service, and most of all, a major time saver, which is something we understand that realtors seem to never get enough of. So, here's how it works. Click the link below to join our affiliate program. Next, we'll send you your personalized URL that you can email, text, or share with your clients. We're going to keep track of your referred clients through any transactions completed resulting in your personal URL. So to cut to the chase, your clients are getting financed fast at the best rates, you're closing that sale on the property, and you're also gaining commission. Everybody wins, if you ask me. For a limited time, we're offering 25% commission, so take a look at our list, sit back, and watch your referral dollars add up quickly. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for your time. We'd love to continue the conversation with you, so send us an email at hello@wiibid.com or give us a call. Also follow us on our social media to stay connected with us. Thank you.